What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get the debut of the 2024 Ford Mustang. Yes, this is the 2024 Ford Mustang, probably the final Ford pony car to be built following the template laid down by the original in 1964, and almost certainly the only one that will ever let you rev its V8 engine by pressing the key fob while standing on the sidewalk. Revealed just now at the 2022 North American International Auto Show in Detroit, the first new Mustang in 9 years should find plenty of fans among owners of the current car. Now, styling is very similar, inspired again by its ancestors, built between 1964 and 1970, and the engine lineup consists of a 2.3-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder and 5-liter naturally aspirated Coyote V8 motors. Now, the hybrid powertrain and all-wheel drive transmission options that Ford was rumored to be working on were nowhere to be seen, but that doesn't mean that Ford hasn't moved the Mustang's game on. The 2024 gets some important styling and hardware updates that Dearborn execs are hoping will finally help it overtake Dodge's elderly but incredibly popular Challenger in the North American sales charts, even before Stellantis sends its Mustang rival to the combustion graveyard. Now, the 2024 car, codenamed S650, is instantly recognizable as a Mustang, but the styling is updated with tri-bar LED headlamps and wider rear arches to give it a more muscular stance. Now, once again, there's a choice of convertible and fastback coupe or coupe body styles, and this time the fastback has a longer roof line that Ford says was created to make it easier to get in and out of while wearing a helmet. Now, for the first time, it will be easy to distinguish between a 2.3-liter EcoBoost and 5-liter GT cars. The V8 GT cars get a different front end design, and the upper proportion is split into 3 sections, and the lower intakes enlarged to feed the 32-valve motor, plus the hood vents and redesigned front splitter. Both models, though, are available with a bronze design series appearance package that brings sinister bronze wheels and bronze badges, and an optional performance pack that consists of a strut brace, Torsen LSD, 390mm front and 355mm rear Brembo brakes, and wider rear wheels and tires. Now, the performance pack cars can be further optioned with MagneRide adaptive dampers, Recaro seats, and an active exhaust. And GT cars with the performance package also get brake cooling ducts and oil cooler, something called also active pothole mitigation, and one of Mustang's most intriguing features, an electronic drift brake that looks like an old-fashioned mechanical handbrake that actually operates the rear stoppers using electronic motors. Now, Ford said it was engineered for novice drivers to learn and improve their drift skills while also providing expert drivers with the competition-ready system. So, get ready for a lot of Mustang drifting and possibly crashing videos next summer. Now, base cars will ride on the 17-inch wheels, while GTs enjoy an upgrade to standard 19s, and 20 inches are only option tick away. Now, other personalization options come in the form of 3 available Brembo brake colors, 11 exterior paint choices that can be complemented by a new stripe color and designs, and some of the biggest 2024 Mustang changes, unsurprisingly, take place inside of the cabin, which definitely looks like it's been taking a peek at BMW's homework. Now, the new car gets a high-resolution, configurable 12.4-inch digital instrument pack with the option of extending the display by adding a 13.2-inch Sync 4 touchscreen complete with Amazon Alexa. Now, the result is a dramatic departure from previous Mustang's retro-style cabins, but it brings the pony cars bang up to date. The quality appears good, and the graphics are incredibly clear thanks to Ford's use of the same Unreal 3D engine responsible for your favorite video games. Now, there's still a few hard keys, but most controls have mitigated to the touchscreen. A move Ford claims was supported by existing Mustang owners it surveyed, and not just millennials. Now, other modern touches include the flat bottom steering wheel, optional wireless phone charging pad, and a full suite of safety systems, including adaptive cruise, road sign recognition, and reverse brake assist. Now, you also even get USB ports located above your head, so you can attach a track day action camera. You can also have other devices to the windshield without having wires draped hanging everywhere. You have cloth seats that are standard, and premium models gaining accented stitching on the instrument panel and door trim, while GT models get leather seat inserts. Now, let's talk about the engines. In a way, there's both good and bad news. The bad news is there's no major advances here, but the good news means that you still get to buy a Mustang with a naturally aspirated V8 and a manual transmission for a few years going forward. Now, Ford hasn't yet revealed much about the power of the new 2.3 and 5.0 engine, but says that the V8 is innovative with a dual air intake box and dual throttle body. That improves the airflow, and it claims that the V8 will be the Mustang GT's most powerful standard V8 yet. That means that the new GT will need to do better than 460 horsepower, 466 PS, and 420 pound-feet, 569 newton-meters provided by the current car before it lost 10 horsepower, 10 PS due to emissions regulations for the 2022 model year. Now, the 10-speed automatic is bound to be a popular option for both cars, but could you really choose it knowing that you turned down the last manual transmission ever on a Ford Mustang? As before, the 6-speed stick shift manual that comes with rev matching software. Now, the all-new Mustang goes on sale in the US starting in the summer next year, 2023, and prices will be announced later. So, what do you guys think about the 2024 Ford Mustang lineup? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the new 2024 Ford Mustang. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love and support, guys. Thank you so much. Now, you guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch, where you guys can get t-shirts, stickers, tank tops, hoodies, everything Ron's Rise is there. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. See everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.